He is figuring out his lunch. I'm gonna get my lunch together really quick. I just have some leftover black-eyed peas, some regular peas. This is just some rotisserie chicken leftover from last night. All right, we have black-eyed peas, chicken, and rice.
Vivi is silly. Whoa. Whoa.
Miles, come here. What?
Oh.
How's your toesies?
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Okay.
Shut. Doors on the bus. Go open and shut. All through the tap.
Oh.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. All right, get Mr. Dino. Where's Mr. Dino? All right, get him. I love you. Night night. I'll see you when you wake up, okay? Love you. Okay, so before I actually start, I feel like I need to explain what's all down here. I'm specifically working on this room right here. And long story short, I have a bunch of school supplies here that some of it's school supplies, some of it's my stuff. That's just like stuff that I'm storing. And one other thing that I think I should mention, the reason we want to clean out this area is because we want to turn it into a workout area. So that is why we're cleaning out this area. Now let's get started.